What is up, guys, and welcome back to Jezza Yang YouTube channel. And today I'm gonna do a tutorial about Tinkercad for beginners. So first you have to go onto Tinkercad. So you go into the Tinkercad, the first, I don't know, like link kind of thing. Then you'd usually have to sign in with your account and stuff, or you can join your class if you're in a classroom. So mine just went straight into my account. Then you just create a new design, and this is your work plane. This is where you would do your design on this work plane. Whoops. On this work plane. So let's get the basics done. So these are the shapes. So it's pretty cool because you can just drag a shape on and all the dimensions and everything would be on there. A cylinder, a sphere, I don't know, a cone. Every single dimension. Okay, then you have to know how to delete, which is really simple. So you do something, let's say a fancy little cylinder inside a cube. Then you select it by dragging a box around it, like in Google Docs and those things. Then you can press delete, or you can just select it, then just do backspace or delete on the keyboard. Like, that's so much easier, like you might have known already. So then if you mess it up a tiny bit, like the work plane, you want to go back to normal, just click the home view button, and just go right back to normal. So you can also zoom in with this and zoom out. It's pretty slow with this. Or you can just go control add. Nope, you can't do that. Oh no, you can. So control, then the add thingy. It just zooms in and out. Or you can just scroll with your mouse. The scrolling thing with your mouse. So these are holes. You might be wondering, why is it called a hole? Well, it's pretty simple actually, because they make holes. So let's make this bigger. So then, we have to take this, let's say place it right there. So let's say what you want to make a hole right there. Let's say just to make a door. So then you just select it all. Then just press this, which is group, which means it just disappears. Or you can do Control G. So yeah, delete. This is the home button. I've shown you that. Then you click on the the right button on your mouse to move it around. And so yeah, that's basically the basics. Oh yeah, and copy and pasting is the same as everything else. Control C, Control V, and just copy and pastes. Or you can do the slow method and just do it here. Copy, paste. But we haven't got time to do all of that. Click two whole buttons. So the basic shapes, there's more than basic shapes, these. There is also text and numbers, characters, connectors. Oh, this is my favorite one. Like these couches and these lamps and house plants and art sculpture. Oh, arcade game, I didn't see that. Pretty cool. So the shape library, they'll have these new ones which I really like exploring. I've never seen this one actually. A bug? Is that a bug? That's a bug. Anyway. Ooh, there's a man called a Blanky. Blockhead. Yeah, right. So yeah, they're all of this kind of different things. let's go back to basic shapes. Then you can also change the name right here. Yeah, just call it Jezza Yang. This YouTube channel. So yeah, that's basically the basics to basically making your very own design. Oh yeah, I forgot the most important thing in the world. To change the dimensions, just drag on this. You drag on the side you want to change the size of, and just change it. The height is always like there, and there is no like kind of thing. There is no square button to make it go up. So you just use this arrow, which makes it go up. You can also use precise measurements. I want 23.234,685. There, exacts. So yeah, you can also do that. Again, precise measurements. So you can extend that and by, let's say, 20.03. Oh, come on, I'm so clumsy. 20.0. Yes, that's exactly what I want. Hey, a big difference, huh? So then upwards you can change it to whatever you like. Oh, I think it's a tiny bit hard for this. A tiny bit tall, I mean. Just a tiny bit. So then, yeah. If you want to know some cool stuff, you can turn it into blocks. Well, this is basically a Minecrafty thing. I don't talk Minecraft. The minerals and things. Don't feel offended if you play Minecraft. So then you can also change it to Lego. Pretty cool, huh? Yeah. The cube. Nope, now it's a keyboard. Change to Lego. So yeah, you get what I mean. So this is the basic level, like the really simple type of, like, choose one, whatever. So this is the more simple type. This, look how simple that is. Then there's the more complicated type. Ooh, look at how complicated that is. But then there's the most complicated type, which is this. The best example is to use a sphere to do it, but you can try that out in your free time. So if you want to build something right on top of it, you can get a work plane and just drag it on top. Let's say you want it up here. Come on. Oops. Oh yes, I just made it on the side. Whatever. So if you want it there, then the work plane that's supposed to be at the bottom changes to the side. So basically, it just, whoops. Oh, the side work plane is so weird. Yes, there we go. So it just stays on there, and yeah. So that's basically the work plane. That's changed to the side. How do I get the work plane off? So yeah, exactly like, you know, a line through there. Loot. So yeah, this is the basics of Tinkercad. You can also, let's say you got a precious cube. Whoopsie daisies, I accidentally deleted it. Then you can just go back. I mean, like, you should already know that, right? So yeah, that's basically all there is to make your first with your very own designs. Like rings. My favourite bit of Tinkercad is these stuff. There's dinosaurs, I know. There's dinosaurs. Incredible, huh? So yeah, this is Tinkercad. Oh yeah. Ah yes. This is pretty useful as well. let's say you create this. You get a cylinder, place it like that. Put a sphere right over here. Amazing masterpiece. And you want to keep it because you might use it again. Then you can turn it into a shape collection. You can add it to your shape collection. I've got a gimbal and a wheel. Just create shape. And this is your shape. Save shape. Oh, name. Stuff. Very detailed description. Yes. Very detailed. So yeah. It is called stuff. So yeah, now you can just create your own shapes. So yeah, that's Tinkercad, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Whoops. See ya.